So when a young boy started experimenting with engines, nobody could have predicted that he would go on to create some of the cars in the world. This story revolves around Frederick Henry Royce, born in 1863 in Alwalton, England. Growing up in poverty, Henry began working at 4 years old to help his struggling family. Despite receiving 1 year of education, he embarked on an apprenticeship at the Great Northern Railway, works and taught himself algebra, French and electrical engineering. At 22, Henry co-founded F.H. Royce & Company with his friend Ernest Clermont, focusing initially on producing components before transitioning into the realm of motor vehicles. By 1904, he had developed his Royce 10 horsepower car. His accomplishments caught the attention of Charles Stuart Rolls, an engineer and car enthusiast. Despite their differences in age and background, the two formed a partnership that led to the creation of Rolls Royce Company in 1906. Their initial major success came with the launch of the Silver Ghost vehicle, hailed as one of the automobiles globally. Marketing expert Cleve Bonson played a role in promoting the brand, became affectionately known as the Hyphen at Rolls-Royce. He built up interest in the top-notch engineering of Rolls-Royce by using advertising tactics. Charles Rolls focused on his passion for aviation, tragically died in a plane crash at the age of 32 in 1910. On the hand, Henry Royce continued his work delving into aero engine production during World War I, which further cemented Rolls-Royce's reputation for exceptional engineering. Henry dedicated himself tirelessly until his passing in 1933 at the age of 70. Today, Rolls-Royce is synonymous with luxury and top-notch craftsmanship. Now owned by BMW, the brand remains a producer of some of the vehicles worldwide. The contributions of Sir Henry Royce and Sir Charles Rolls have solidified Rolls-Royce as an icon of wealth and excellence. What are your thoughts on the history of Rolls-Royce? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for inspiring business stories